Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Tours Excursion Vallarta. I'm Oscar, your local guide. This is the second part of this video, how to rent cheap here in Puerto Vallarta, how to find cheap rentals here in Puerto Vallarta. Well, this is not in Puerto Vallarta area, it's on Nayarit state, and more exactly or specific, the location is on La Cruz de Guanacaxtle. Remember, if you follow those steps, never trust in anybody if you don't receive any kind of contract. So I'm gonna warn you about this, put you on alert. If you want to rent this kind of properties, you must to receive a contract, a signed contract from the owner or the property manager, okay? And don't send any kind of money. Well, we're gonna start with this video, but before, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate all notifications to get the latest news here in Puerto Vallarta and Nuevo Nayarit. Remember, follow me on my social network. I have TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So there's more information over there. And please sponsor me at least 1 month. You can cancel anytime. This is you can push this button, the join button, and you will become a sponsor. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, friends, welcome to the second part of how to rent cheap here in Puerto Vallarta and Nuevo Nayarit. Well, we already in the other video, in the last video, we checked the apartment in Versalles. Now we're gonna check this apartment in La Cruz de Guanacaxtle. Okay. Remember, we are in manoamano.com. There's an online magazine, and you can check here. You can check here the information about this apartment. Okay, it looks like it's full furnished or fully equipped the kitchen, and this is kind of part of the living room and the dining room. I think it's the living room too. Okay, I think this is a mirror. Okay, and this photo is very important because it helps us to know where it's located. Okay, and let's check the price. The price is a little bit higher. It's almost the 14,000 Mexican pesos. That is in dollars. It's around the 800 US dollars per month. This is monthly, and we will check the description. It's in La Cruz de Guanacaxtle. It's crossing a very calm beach and private. Oh, there is no private beach, so this could be not true. I mean, if you pay for taxes to the government for have a private area, you only have just a few meters, it's around like 20 meters, but not all the beach is for you. This can be, and if they don't give you access, the police can close the entire building. Okay, so check that out when you rent on those properties. You can have a problem because it's gonna like close the entire building for doing this illegal practice. The beaches are not private. Maybe you have some square meters for you, because the condos normally has the furnish for the beach, and this is only for people who are living over there. It makes sense. That is okay. That is legal. Okay, this is 1 block away from the Marina La Cruz. The Marina La Cruz is where all the boats are,
and I think it's close to the fish market on the marina, so that is great. You can have or access very close walking distance to the marina fish market. That is great, awesome. This is it said excellent condominium ready for use, fully equipped kitchen, a lot of space, two bathrooms, complete LED lights that are like saving energy, air conditioned, all the service, water heater, oven, gas for microwave. Yeah, they're describing all the property that is very nice because it's brand new. Internet, high-speed internet, optic fiber, TV, entertainment, for areas in La Cruz for biking or just walking. Oxos, little grocery stores, restaurants of all levels, and service, transportation service available. Includes this parking area, and the rent for long term includes maintenance fee or HOA, maybe, I don't know. Well, it's maintenance fee. Includes water, gas, administration. Yes, this is like the HOA if you rent to a long term, talking about 6 or 1 year. I think in Nayarit, because it's different from Jalisco, Nayarit is at least 1 year leasing, okay? And they have all the services that a condominium has, okay? And the price, I think, for 2 bedrooms in the area, $800 US. This is the average. But I don't know. As you can see, these pictures don't show any kind of furniture. There is no beds. There is no tables, chairs, sofas, nothing. So if you want to rent here, you need to buy your furnished. But the price is great. And let's talking about the locations. Yes, okay. Remember we just in the previous video we watched the Versailles apartment. Now we're gonna go to La Cruz. As you can see, we are here, and we need to go to. My battery is low in the laptop, so okay, we need to go through here to take the taxi or transportations to go to La Cruz. It's around 45 minutes away from Puerto, or 1 hour from Puerto Vallarta, depending on traffic conditions. 40 minutes to 1 hour. And this is La Cruz. This is the fish market, okay, Mercado del Mar. And I think this, because I just went over there, the condo is located around here. Around this area. Right now, here in this street, there is more like condos here. You can see here, but there is more condos here already done. Like this area, I think there is another condo. And could be something like this. This is the street. This is a beach access here, as you can see. So yes, it's 1 block away from the beach. That is great. This neighborhood, it's very calm. It's gated. Almost all the properties or the condos are gated. And if you continue walk this way, I think I just pass it. There is the fish market. No, okay. Still going. Nope. Okay. As you can see, there is more building here. There is more. Right now, there is a building here, other here, other here. This is not from now. This is the way to the fish market here, and the marina. As you can see, this is the fish market here. Okay, Mercado del Mar, fish market here. You must go very early in the morning because there is a lot of people trying to get the most fresh fish here in the area. And here, where you need to go to the marina, you need to go. I think you can reach the farmers market in La Cruz from here. I don't know if that is possible. If not, you need to walk more than a few blocks. You need to walk like around 8 blocks. And right now there is these condos are finished right now. Here there is nothing, but there's more finished. The street is still awful like this right now. There is no even cobblestone street. Is very awful. And when there is rainy season, it's flooded. This is in bad condition. I just went like 1 week ago with customers here, and the street is awful. Yes, it's in bad condition, but this is where is located the apartment here. Okay, if you want to stay here, like in this apartment, is for long term and to buy some furniture. Okay, you can buy some used one furniture. I think is the best option. Okay, for a long term, because you can find nice furniture for a low price. So you can find low prices here. Okay, so this was the steps for try to looking for very cheap apartments. As you can see, around $600 to $800. Puerto Vallarta in Nayarit State. It's about 1 hour distance each other. So that is your options. If you want to start, you can find here more options. Very more like could be more expensive options, and those guys are like property managers. This is another option. They say 3,000. I can maybe this is for 1 day. Ask before to do the deals, because $3,150 for 1 month. No, this is a vacational. This is vacaciones for vacations, and could be 4 days, so $150 per day. Could be work for I don't know, 4 people. If you rent with your couple and another couple, you can split the cost and could be cheaper. So check that out. Okay friends, thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, share this video if there is a useful information for you or for your friends or your family. See you the next time. Bye bye.